You have years of experience handling high-stakes situations and multi-million-dollar assets. But when you apply for civilian roles, hiring managers often fail to understand the value you bring to the boardroom. To a civilian recruiter, military jargon acts as a foreign language. If you leave terms like O5 or G2 on your application, your most impressive achievements remain untranslated and effectively blank to the reader. Today, we are going to strip your military career down to its chassis. We will rebuild it step by step into a civilian-ready document designed to secure interviews. Before we start, gather 3 things: your military service records, a job description for your target civilian role, and a blank digital document. Think of your resume as a strategic translation device. How accurately you translate your background dictates whether the civilian market recognizes your expertise or ignores your application entirely. Step 1 is the header. This is your first impression, and it needs to be clean, modern, and immediately accessible to the reader. Include your full name, phone number, a professional email address, your current city and state, and a customized LinkedIn profile link. Directly below your contact info is the professional summary. Do not write a generic objective statement here. Instead, write a 3 to 5 sentence elevator pitch that targets your specific goal. Map your military skills directly to the job you want. Platoon leader translates to senior operations leader. Include your exact years of experience to show scale, and note your specific history of managing multi-million-dollar assets. Placing this translated summary at the very top of the page tells the recruiter exactly how your background fits their immediate needs, so they never have to guess. Once your summary is set, we have to prepare for the digital gatekeepers that will scan your document before a human ever sees it. Most companies use an applicant tracking system, or ATS. It is an automated software program that filters out candidates who lack specific industry keywords. To clear this hurdle, create a core competencies section. List 6 to 8 transferable skills from your military experience that exactly match the requirements in your target job. The ATS scans this section for specific matches. When it finds civilian terms like strategic planning or risk management, it scores your application higher. However, military-specific terms like G2 are ignored as irrelevant data, lowering your match score. Passing the ATS is a mandatory technical hurdle. Without the correct civilian keywords, even the most qualified veteran will never reach a human decision-maker. Now we move to the professional experience section. This is the core argument where you prove the claims you made in your summary. The most common mistake here is merely listing the daily responsibilities of your rank. Instead, you must show your measurable impact. Structure your bullet points using the challenge, action, result framework. State the problem you faced, the specific steps you took, and the quantifiable outcome you achieved. Let's look at a weak, duty-based example. Writing "was responsible for daily operations of a fire team" fails to communicate your actual value to a civilian employer. Instead, apply the framework to that same experience. Directed and trained a 4-person team in high-risk environments, successfully completing 20-plus missions with a 100% safety record. Mine your service records for hard numbers. Find your exact budget sizes, personnel counts, and efficiency percentages, and use them to anchor your bullet points. Next, add your education section. List your degrees, certifications, and only the specific military schools, like project management, that have direct civilian applications. By quantifying your impact with hard data, you turn abstract military service into undeniable, mathematically proven corporate value. Your draft is complete, but it is not yet cleared for actual submission. Now, conduct a strict civilian audit. Hand your draft to a trusted professional who has absolutely no military background. The sole purpose of this review is to identify any lingering acronyms or untranslated military concepts that you might be blind to. Your final asset should be a clean, single-page document where your metrics stand out and your messaging is crystal clear. You can utilize tools like QuickCV, which provides AI guidance and live scoring to ensure your formatting is structurally sound and export-ready. This newly translated resume is your tailored operational strategy for your next mission, securing the civilian career you have earned.